All right, last little piece here in this chapter section on parallel lines and transversals. And now we're being asked to identify the transversal and classify the angle pairs. So we've got a diagram over here, a bunch of train tracks. And from that, we've got lines H, J, K, and L. And then we're going to being asked to look at angle pairs and first identify the transversal and then identify the angle pair. So first we're asked to look at angles 3 and 5. So when I look at angles 3 and 5, then my transversal is going to be J. And let's see, if J is my transversal, that means that H and K are my lines that the transversal intersects. And both 3 and 5, they're on alternate sides or opposite sides of the transversal, and they're on the outside of both line H and K, so then they would be alternate exterior angles. All right, that's not too bad. Let's look at angles 2 and 8. All right, so first we want to identify what's the transversal. Well, if I've got angle 2 and I've got angle 8, then I'm going to say that the transversal is line L. And if L is the transversal and it's cutting through lines H and K, all right, so 2 and 8 are both on the inside of H and K, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal, so they must be alternate interior. Okay, so this is not too bad. All right, let's see, lines 5 and 7. All right, well, there's line 5. There's angle 5. Angles 5 and 7. And there's angle 7. And so my transversal then is that line right there, K. So my transversal is K. Okay, and so line 5 is on the inside. Angle 5 is on the inside, and angle 7 is on the outside, but they're on the same side of the transversal, and so they must be corresponding angles. All right, last look. Angle 2 and angle 9. So angle 2 is right here, and angle 9 is right here. So my transversal then is going to be line L. Not sure you can see that. I'm going to put that in a different color. Put that in black. L. Okay, so if that's the case, then 2 and 9, well, they're on the same side of this transversal, if L is my transversal, and they're both on the inside of lines H and K, and so therefore, since they're on the same side of the transversal, they're both on the inside, they're going to be consecutive interior angles. All right. Identify the transversal, then classify the angle pair. And then we're getting ready to apply in the next chapter section, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to be applying these angle relationships to actual measurements. It even gets more fun. I can't wait.